This video is brought to you by my supporters on Patreon. Hi guys, I'm here with another cosplay quick tip, and this time it is about making sure to use a zigzag stitch when sewing stretch fabric. This might be obvious to most of you or something that is already well known, but there are people out there who don't know to do that. For example, when I first started sewing stretch fabric, since I've never actually been officially taught how to sew, I did not know to use a zigzag stitch. So I'm just putting that out there in the world for all of you guys to know. Use a zigzag stitch. It allows the fabric to continue to stretch without like tearing your seams or something. Have a lovely day. Bye!